Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we've got a really interesting piece of source material. It's a step-by-step tutorial claiming to show a lazy way to make money online.
And it's all built on a system that's supposedly 95% automated.
Exactly. So our mission today is to just quickly unpack the systems, the costs, and see if the claims actually hold up. The whole thing seems to boil down to two interlocking pieces.
Right, you've got the affiliate mentor, which is the money-generating system.
And then you have a specific email marketing platform, which is the traffic source.
Yep, that's the whole setup.
Okay, let's unpack this.
So affiliate mentor, this is the core product being promoted here. It's presented as this 100% beginner-friendly auto marketing system.
And the barrier to entry is super low, right? What does it cost to get in?
That's the main draw. The initial cost to get started is just $25.
But that's not the real hook, is it? It's this whole spillover promise. Wait, so somebody else's effort can make me money? How does that even work with this matrix compensation plan?
That's the key marketing angle. The compensation plan is structured as a matrix. So the idea is, if you join under a really successful promoter,
Okay.
their future signups can actually get placed under you in the system.
So you can start making money from people you didn't even recruit.
That's the claim. It's designed to create this hope of, almost immediate passive income. And once you do the initial setup, which they call the 5%, the rest is 95% automated.
The money system sounds simple enough, but it's totally useless without traffic, without eyeballs. That brings us to the second piece of the puzzle.
The engine, yeah. And that engine is a service called My Lead Gen Secret, or MLGS for short.
So this is the required traffic source. What's the cost on this part?
It's also remarkably low. There's a $30 one-time setup fee.
Got it.
And then it's just $30 a month recurring. For that $30, the system gives you 100 email leads every single day.
100 a day, that's 3,000 a month. The source really leans into that value, doesn't it? Comparing it to paid ads.
Oh, heavily. They claim that if you were to buy those same leads from, say, Facebook or YouTube ads, it would cost you maybe $200 a day.
Which is $6,000 a month. That's a huge difference.
It is, but you have to question the quality, right? Leads from a shared bulk source like MLGS are not the same as highly targeted leads you generate yourself. It's a massive difference.
And they have a strategy to double your volume right away, which the promoter actually says they use.
Correct. The tactic is pretty simple. You sign up for a second MLGS account, but you use your own affiliate link from your first account to do it.
And that bumps you from 100 leads a day to 200.
Instantly. The source says they personally run 3 accounts to really maximize their volume.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, the workflow.
What does that 5% of manual work you have to do every day actually look like? How lazy is it?
It's almost zero effort. The execution is pure copy and paste. The source provides you with the first 10 emails.
So you don't even have to write anything.
Nothing. Your daily task is to copy the subject and the body, paste it into the MLGS mailer. The only edits you make are removing emojis.
The system can't handle them.
Apparently not. So you remove emojis and then you just adjust the font size to 18. That's it.
And they use specific tracking to prove that this actually works.
Yes, which is smart. They modify their affiliate mentor link. They'll add something like MLGS after their username.
So they know exactly where sales are coming from.
Exactly. And the source claims they got 4 sales from just 206 clicks in about a week with this method. They call that conversion rate absolutely amazing. The whole goal is to get you profitable this month so you can quit your job.
So we have a clear 3-part system here. A low initial cost with the $25 affiliate mentor.
A low fixed monthly cost for traffic with the $30 MLGS.
And a daily task that's basically copy, paste, and hitting send at the perfect timing.
Right. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the whole thing relies on everybody doing the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Which, it raises a pretty important question for the long term.
What's that?
Well, given that the system relies on thousands of users copying and pasting the same provided emails to the same pool of collected leads,
Right.
what happens to your profitability when that list gets saturated? When everyone's seeing the same 5 or 10 emails a dozen times? When does that automation stop working for you?
So what does this all mean? That's something for you to consider when evaluating whether low-cost automation outweighs the need for high-quality, unique outreach. Thanks for joining us for the deep dive.